Well, when you look at that, things are looking up for Microsoft and the Xbox platform. Although a lot of critics were saying that the deal was dead, we had so many videos saying that there's no coming back, the deal is dead, as you could see being shown. Kanye West have something to tell those guys.
Gotcha. Gotcha.
Let's see why the EU is telling some of these pony fans never to celebrate too soon. Because the EU just decided about what they are going to do concerning this Activision Blizzard deal. This is Island Gaming with Jay, and let's talk about the EU, what the EU did concerning the deal. According to the New York Times, EU approves Microsoft's $69 billion deal for Activision. The green light follows objections to the blockbuster deal by American and British regulators on the grounds that it would undercut competition. So yes, the EU just approved the deal concerning Microsoft and Activision Blizzard. Now, this is big, seeing that the CMA didn't approve it not too long ago, about 2 weeks ago. But is it approved without any remedies? Let's see some of the remedies that they are saying. These commitments fully address the competition concerns identified by the Commission and represents a significant improvement for cloud game streaming compared to the current situation, the EU regulator said in a statement. Microsoft said the concessions would benefit consumers. The European Commission has required Microsoft to license popular Activision Blizzard games automatically to competing cloud gaming services, said Brad Smith, the president of Microsoft. This will apply globally and will empower millions of consumers worldwide to play these games on any device they choose.
Microsoft's Activision Blizzard acquisition has been approved by EU regulators. The green light is a big win for the company, coming just weeks after UK watchdogs blocked the deal. Shares of Activision and Microsoft, they are both rising on the news. The European Commission saying commitments made by Microsoft in the cloud gaming sphere staved off antitrust concerns. That said, we don't know what U.S. regulators are going to say. So we got the UK saying no. We got the EU saying yes. Usually the U.S. follows their lead, but their leads are different.
So yes, I was watching this very closely as what would happen with the EU. So we are saying that was one hurdle that Microsoft had to jump over, and they did it successfully. Now, this deal is not finished as yet. We still have the appeal for the CMA, and of course, we still have the FTC with Lina Khan, who is trying to prove that she can make big tech take the knee. But this is a small win, and it feels so good when the EU could tell these ponies what did the 5 fingers say to the face.
What did the 5 fingers say to the face?
What?
Slap!
Tell me what you guys think about this new development. This deal is crazy. What do you guys think about it? Would it eventually pass? Would everything eventually pass? We'll just have to wait and see. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Later.